I got a mini periscope now.
Yeah.
In case we go underwater.
Yeah, you got people close pulling. Okay.
Yeah, cool. I know. We're just going to go 5 minutes down the line and we'll be right back to you. Okay, clear this side.
Yeah, I'm clear over here. Okay.
The backup. Alright, here we go.
James climbing the hill.
So do you know what all the things are? Or
Yeah, basically.
Johnson bar, throttle, pressure gauge,
Engineer.
engineer, fireman, firebox,
Yeah.
oil can.
Fluid. That's the one around the corner. Whistle.
Yeah. And bell. And that would have been for the train, so the conductor could have. So the captain.
Oh. Rang the cocktail bell.
Flight attendant.
Coffee for the cockpit.
Where's that cocktail?
Crossing's clear on my side.
Need my torque driver. My Boilermaker. Need a highball.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Maybe later on tonight.
I have an old fashioned.
I had a remote control for the DVD player in the nap.
It's an old fashioned is what Mr. Howell was drinking up in that plane, and it's a bad, 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 bad.
Ah, yes.
He's drinking an old fashioned. That's like
Old fashioned. Well, the way my husband was wrong. It's easy with an old fashioned.
yeah, we got through. It always gets an interesting when we come together. Never that.
We got all three of them. Look, there's 25 over there.
Alright, McKean's clear.
Okay.
Clear ahead.
We're in.
Highball.
Wagon's home. Forward.
Folks, we gotta have wristbands or tickets if you want to go for a ride. So thanks. Used tickets are fine for today. So if you've already gotten punched, you're good.
Close enough for government work. Alright.
Yeah. Hey, Warren.
Yep. Oh, thank you.
Nancy?
Yes, sir.